How to view your TikTok stories. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So when you have stories, what you generally do is you can see these options as your profile picture. So you can simply tap on your profile picture and you can see the story that you have posted if it's not been 24 hours. Now, if you want to see the story afterwards, even after 24 hours, then what you can simply do is tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you do that, here you can simply see the option of save photo, or you might also be able to archive this. So you can tap on more and you can send it to some other person as well. And here you can just tap on the star icon. So when you tap on star icon, you can see your viewers over here if anybody has viewed it. So you can only tap on the three dotted lines and you can save it to your TikTok account or your gallery. You can also tap on settings and you can select who can see this post and so on. So that's it. That's how you can view your TikTok story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.